All right, second grade. Today is lesson 48 for Saxon Phonics, and we are going to start out with your favorite, bingo. So get out your bingo sheet. I'm going to give you some directions, and when you know what box to cover, you can draw an X through it, color it in, but you are looking to get 4 boxes either up and down or across or from corner to corner, and make sure you yell out bingo. All right, let's get started. Cover the final spelling in the word hike. Hike. Think about what the vowel sound is before the k sound. Hike. Next, cover the final spelling in the word fumble. Fumble. It's a final stable syllable. Next, cover the final spelling in the word well. Well. I'll give you another hint. It follows the floss rule. Well. Cover the final spelling in the word tree. Tree. Now listen carefully. Cover the final spelling in the word tree, not the sound, the spelling. Next, cover the vowel spelling in the word make. What vowels are in make? Cover the final spelling in the word my. The final spelling in the word my. Next, cover the initial sound in the word even. The initial sound in the word even. Next, cover the final spelling in the word pluck. Pluck. Think about what vowel sound you hear in pluck. Do you have bingo yet? Let's keep going. Cover the initial sound in the word acid. The initial sound in the word acid. Next, cover the final spelling in the word hook. Hook. The final spelling in the word hook. I think I heard a bingo. I got bingo too. You should have a bingo going diagonally with the CK from the final spelling in pluck, the Y for the final spelling in my, KE for the final spelling in hike, and the K for the final spelling in hook. Now turn your paper over and we're going to practice spelling some words. On your practice sheet for number 1, spell the word dry on the line. Number 1, dry. Dry is spelled D-R-Y. Number 2, spell the word trick. Trick. Trick is spelled T-R-I-C-K. Trick. Number 3, spell the word after. After. After is spelled A-F-T-E-R. After. Now let's practice spelling some sight words. On number 4, spell the word goes. Goes. Goes is spelled G-O-E-S. Goes. Number 5, pull. Pull. Pull is spelled P-U-L-L. And number 6, the sight word is says. Says. S-A-Y-S. Says. Now put your practice sheet aside for a second. Echo these words and listen to the sound in the final position. Candy, 20, clumsy. What sound do you hear in the final position of candy, 20, clumsy? Do you hear the E sound? Look at these words and see what is making the E sound. Candy, 20, clumsy. What is making the E sound? A Y. Will the Y be a vowel or a consonant if it's making the E sound? A vowel, and it's in the final position. How do we code Ys when they act like vowels? We learned this yesterday. We put a dot above it. Now, how many syllables are in each of these words? Candy, 20, clumsy. There are 2 syllables in all of these words. That's right. So we will use our syllable division pattern to divide them before coding. So when we code the words, we will write these under the Ys because the Y is acting like a vowel. So we have a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern. So we're going to divide candy between the N and D. Now let's finish adding the rest of the codes for candy. We need a K back on the C. The A is a short sound. It needs a brevy. Now, for the vowel Y, it is making the E sound. Remember, yesterday we learned vowel Y said I. Today it's saying E. So if it is saying E, we're just going to leave the dot, okay? No macron today, all right? So candy, which syllable is accented? The first one. So since it is not accented, it is not making that I sound. It's saying E, okay? So no brevy, no macron, just a dot, okay? Let's look at 20. 20 has the vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern, dividing between the N and T. The E needs a brevy. The Y keeps the dot. It's saying E. 20. The first syllable is accented. And for clumsy, we need the K back on the C. And this is another vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern, dividing between the M and S. We need a brevy above the U. The Y stays with the dot. That first syllable is accented. Now, we are going to learn one more thing today. Since Y can act like a vowel at the end of the word, you may also find this letter acting like a vowel in other situations. So I am writing 2 more words on my board. I'm writing the word symbol and type. Okay, symbol, type. What vowel does the Y sound like in the word symbol? Symbol. Do you hear the short I? So how will we code it? With a brevy and a dot. A dot because the Y is acting like a vowel, and it's saying eh. So it does need a brevy, short I. Okay. Now, let's finish coding the rest of symbol. We have a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern. Again, symbol. What do you hear about the O? O. Need that upside down E, and the first syllable is accented. Symbol. Now let's look at type. What sound is that Y making? Type. Long I, it says I. So that's when we put the dot, since it's a vowel sound, and a macron. Okay. Do we hear the E? No, this is a long I sound, sneaky E. Type. Okay. I do have a picture card for today. Let's see if you can guess what is on here. Okay. This is something sweet to eat. You get a lot of it at Halloween time. Also, the picture is showing one of my favorite types around Christmas. The keyword is candy. Candy, E. This Y on the end of candy says the E sound, okay? So let's get back our worksheet. Okay, our practice sheet. Look at number 7. We are going to write the spellings for E. So in the past, we've talked about E, comma E, final E, and today we talked about final Y. So now for your spelling sounds, E is E, comma E, final E, comma Y. So let's spell some words that include vowel Y with the E sound. All right. Number 8, let's write 40. F-O-R-T-Y. Handy for number 9. Handy. H-A-N-D-Y. And number 10, party. P-A-R-T-Y. Very good. Practice reading and spelling your high frequency words. No sentences today. Let's now go to our worksheet, worksheet number 48. We're going to practice coding some words together before you start on your homework. All right, for number 1, 50. That Y is acting like a vowel. We're putting a dot above it. I'll have to bring it closer so you can see. There is a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern with a divider between the F and T. That I needs a brevy. And what sound is that Y making? 50. It says E, so we're not going to add a brevy or a macron, but the first syllable is accented, so we'll put that accent mark. 50. That matches with one of our pictures. All right, let's look at number 2. Do you see a digraph? Digraph EE needs underlined. The first E is making that E sound. Put a macron, cross out the second E. Can you read number 2? Free, very good. All right, number 3. That Y has to act like a vowel. All words have a vowel sound. So let's look at this. Dry. Dry. It's making the I sound, so we need a macron above the dot. And remember, one syllable words are accented. Dry. We put a dot, a macron, and an accent mark. Okay? Number 4 has final stable syllable, F-L-E, bracket, cross out the final E, accent mark. There is a consonant before the second syllable, so we will put a brevy above the U. Can you read number 4? Ruffle, ruffle, to describe the bottom picture. Number 5. This Y is going to act like a vowel, so we're going to put a dot above it. It is part of a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern. The I needs a brevy. Let's read this word. Flimsy, flimsy. Saying the E sound. Do we need a brevy or a macron? No, but listen again. Flimsy. What sound is that S making? Flimsy. It's saying Z, so we're going to put a line through it. Flimsy. Okay, this first syllable is accented. And number 6, we start with a K back on the C. And we have A, consonant E. Macron above the A, cross out the final E. This word is cane. Cane. Very good. Let's read the sentences together and answer the questions. My uncle gave me a puppy from a pet store. We will get to see it after school. When the puppy gets here, we need to feed it first, then let it sleep. What will we do first? What happens first when the puppy gets here? We need to feed it first. Feed the puppy. Feed the puppy first. Number 8, where did the uncle get the puppy? Did the uncle get the puppy from the pet store, home, or school? The uncle got the puppy from the pet store. Good. And number 9, the puppy will want to sleep. Yes or no? Yes, the puppy will want to sleep. Yes. All right, turn to the homework side and I will tell you how many codes go on each word. Number 1 has a lot of coding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 codes for number 1. 9 codes. Number 2 has 3. Number 3 has 3. Number 4 has 4. Number 5 has 8. And number 6 has 2. So again, those numbers are 9, 3, 3, 4, 8, 2. All right, great job today. Get going on your homework.